The Ministry of Finance has once again implemented its tax arrear recovery incentive program in order to recover outstanding tax debt. In an interview with One Africa Television, Justus Mwafongwe, Inland Revenue Department Commissioner, said the reason to reintroduce the program was that since its inception last year, revenue collection has been very slow from the start and has only picked up towards its deadline, which was in December.
This program has got three main purposes. The first one, of course, is to recover the tax arrears, the outstanding taxes that a lot of taxpayers are owing us.
Yes.
The second one is to provide relief to those taxpayers. This is because taxpayers owe a lot of interest balances and penalties. And these interest balances are based on the historical regime of our interest system, where we had a compounded system of interest, where you pay interest on principal, interest on interest, and interest on penalties. So for that reason, we want to make things to be easier for the taxpayer to settle of their outstanding accounts.
This has therefore prompted the ministry to continue with the program in order to give individuals and businesses the opportunity to either bring their outstanding tax debt up to date or for those who were never registered to register at the nearest office. Mwafongwe stressed that registration can be done at any of the Inland Revenue offices countrywide, and taxpayers who choose not to partake in this incentive program shall be dealt with the full extent of the tax laws through recovery provisions that include, amongst others, attachment of assets, appointment of agents, as well as recovery of tax from third parties.
We will implement the full extent of the law. And there are a lot of things that we can do, including garnishment orders, garnish orders against your salary, appointing third parties like the banks or your employers, or if you are a subcontractor, for example, we can appoint the main contractor so that as you are about to receive your payment, we can tell the main contractor to withhold certain payment from your payment so that you can settle your tax account. The most extremist one is attachment of assets. So you can lose your asset, whether it's commercial buildings or residential building, vehicle, whatever assets that you own. So that will be now some of the last options resolved that we might employ.
Registration runs during the months of September and October 2017, while the incentive program ends on the 11th of March 2018.